Welcome to another project by Neu Konceptz. My name is Jack.
Hi, and I'm John. Let us show you around the house. Let's go!
Okay, basically this is a 1,100 square feet 3-bedroom apartment, and over here stays a family of 4. The design brief was to make it cozy and modern, right? The most challenging part about this project was that we actually had to work with a Germancia. And right from the entrance, as you can see here, we actually have a trellis divider here. Okay, this was made to block off the view from the entrance to the dining area. As you can see, we cladded this trellis in black steel with dark wood right on the inside. Okay, as we walk in, we have actually a storage cabinet right over here.
Exactly. So what I like about the storage cabinet that we designed here with the shelves is that everything here looks sleek and tidy. Even the door handles that we selected, we didn't choose any physical handle, but we made a recessed design into the door itself to act as a handle. And over here is that there is a partition wall that we built, and this is a concrete wall. We designed this way so that the shelves actually gives you an illusion that it is built inside. And we specially choose black and white so that when you stand further or whether you stand nearer, it actually gives you a very contrasting feel.
Okay, for the TV feature wall and console, right, we specially selected white, and you can see that it's all very sleek, right? Just like the storage cabinet earlier, there was no handles, okay? And you can see that we actually used a special mechanism for the TV console part, right? So for the lines, we actually created this design using unbalanced symmetry, right? Using lines to give it some details along with the black steel shelves that we use here. Okay, for the master bedroom, we actually wanted to achieve a more cozy and plush effect. So you can see that we are being very consistent in the materials that we use. It's the same black wood that you see in the living, coupled with this wood trimming to give it a more classy factor here. And you can see that the grains are purposely placed at a gradient to give it a more unique look right here. And we actually specially chose 2 long suspension lamps here. You can see that it's very sleek and very slim, and it has a steel element right over here. Okay, crossing over to this cabinet, alright, we specially chose this black marble look here so that it actually pushes the plush factor up a little bit more. And we finished the entire room with warm lightings, and the wall we actually give it a grey wash brown finish for a more cozy effect.
Alright, up next, the kids' room. So what do we have in the setup here is that we have tables, we have full of storages and displays. Maybe I point something out to you is that we have customized a table support that's very slim and neat. So this gives us a very sleek feel. And of course we have lights here for them to study, and lots of storage for books, for toys, anything. And the display. And the display we make it with frames for individual pockets. So this is another detail that I find is very nice. Alright, thank you guys for joining us on the tour today. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at the end of the video.
You can also follow us on our Facebook and Instagram, or you can visit our company website for our full portfolio. Once again, this is Jack and John. See you guys soon.
Cheers!